Can you tell whose name did the Satavahana kings write before their own? The Satavahana kings were known to write their mother's name before their own. The ancient name of Kolhapur. The ancient name of Kolhapur was Kuntal. Complete the table by reading the map in the lesson. Pallav, Chalukya, Kanchi, Ayol, Badami, Patdakal. Pallav, Satavahana, Kanchi, Ajanta, Ellora, Nasik, Bokardan. Tabulate the following names as dynasties and their capitals: Satavahana, Pandya, Chalukya, Vakataka, Pallava, Madurai, Pratishthan, Kanchipuram, Vatapi. Dynasty: Satavahana. Capital: Pratishthan. Dynasty: Chalukya. Capital: Vatapi. Dynasty: Vakataka. Capital: Vatsagulm. Dynasty: Pallava. Capital: Kanchipuram. Dynasty: Pandya. Capital: Madurai. Observe any three pictures in the lesson and write in your own words what you learn from them. Number 1. The Kailash Temple at Ellora. The Kailash Temple at Ellora in Maharashtra was carved out during the reign of Krishna Rajavan. This temple is the largest rock-cut monolithic ancient Hindu temple. This temple gets its name Kailash as it symbolizes Mount Kailash, the home of Lord Shiva. Number 2. A Satavahana coin. Indian trade was at its zenith during the Satavahana period. Indian goods were exported to Western countries and even as far as Rome. Trade took place by sea, and this fact is known through coins which have the image of a ship carved on it. Number 3. The Ratha or chariot temples. The Rathas or shrines shaped as temple chariot are hewn from the granite rock. They are a perfect example of monolithic rock-cut architecture of the Pallava dynasty. These group monuments at Mahabalipuram has been classified as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Answer in one sentence. Name the ancient dynasties of southern India. The Chair, Pandya and Chola dynasty were the ancient dynasties of southern India. After the decline of the Maurya Empire, which local kings became independent? After the decline of the Maurya Empire, the local kings in Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka became independent. Answer in brief. Write about the achievements of Mahendra Varman. Mahendra Varman was an able Pallava ruler. He expanded the Pallava kingdom. He was also a playwright. What is meant by Tri Samudra Toya Pit Vahana? Tri Samudra Toya Pit Vahana means one whose horses have drunk the water of three seas. The three seas are the Arabian Sea, the Bay of Bengal and the Indian Ocean. During his reign, the empire of the Satavahanas extended from the river Narmada in the north to the Tungabhadra river in the south. What goods were exported from the Muziri port? Goods like spices, pearls, precious stones were exported from the Muziri port.